What does it say? What are you doing down there?
Sweeping the floor. What are you doing?
Is this your clean day?
Yeah. Is this your clean day?
I'm gonna beat the rug.
They need beat. They're full of critter hair.
Everything's dirty. Look, the sun's got me. Sometimes days are slow.
Oh, we gotta do laundry today too.
Oh, let's do laundry.
We don't have to, but since we're sitting, we might as well go ahead and
Let's
do it.
do laundry. We can do it. This is how laundry day always turns out. We do laundry and paperwork, and before it gets folded up, because it's still hot, I guess, the dogs are like, yeah, this is my stuff. I'm gonna pile up on it. Yeah, yeah.
What are you talking about? It's my job to get hairs back on this clean clothes. That's my job. You mean that? Isn't that what I'm supposed to be doing?
I wish them people would make up their minds. Mama has said more than once that obviously her favorite color is dog hair. We're just trying to help her out.
Hey guys.
He's got sparkles on his truck number and we don't.
Because he paid for sparkles.
I want sparkles.
We didn't pay for sparkles.
Well, you should pay for sparkles.
Okay, I'll buy you some sparkles, alright? Sometimes you get stuck at the truck stop, right? I mean, in our case, there's nothing to do with it. It's just state law, oversized, all that good stuff.
Holiday.
So what do? You do your laundry, you do your paperwork, you catch up on stuff.
Drink lots of water. It's hot today.
It is hot.
Yesterday was nice.
We could go over and stay in the hotel, but we're not doing that. Everybody's...
They have a swimming pool, though.
It ain't open. It ain't summer yet up here. But it's hot today. So, what do? Like I said, laundry, right? The dogs are into laundry. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna play some games. We're gonna kill some zombies.
I'm gonna win.
She probably will. And some billiards. That's cool. And what else?
Air hockey? Is that what it's called?
I guess.
I'm gonna win. At least that one.
Oh, she's gonna. Okay, this is it, right? Let's spend $10, right? Let's see what happens. All right, let's do it. That's our days, guys. It was boring. We had a good time, though. The girl kicked my ass at pool. She kicked my ass at that ice hockey game.
Air hockey, not ice.
There wasn't no air
Don't roll
involved.
your eyes at me.
There was no air involved. Table hockey or whatever. Yeah, I did blow her head off in the zombie game, but we got no footage to prove it because the camera fell over because someone's elbow knocked the crap out of it for some unknown reason.
You have to pump every
Pump,
3
pump,
shots.
pump. What? I had to pump every shot. You mean?
That's what I was doing too.
Oh yeah, sure. You know how
They kept
that.
telling me I was out, and I was getting vicious with it, so I just started doing it all the time.
You know how them 870s are, right? Anyway, that was our day. It was, nothing. We had a good time. You have an alright time?
Yeah, we took the dogs for a walk.
You want some more dinner?
Maybe.
And we're gonna watch a movie. What are we gonna watch?
Didn't you want to watch Star Wars? Something? I don't know. There's like a million of them on the trilogies or whatever. I don't know what's what.
I want
I
I
don't know nothing about TV.
I want the next episode of Lost in Space.
I want to see the, what was them dragon ones? So I listened to all the books.
We're gonna have to watch Game of Thrones
That's it.
on DirecTV. They're not on Netflix. I just happen to be able to accommodate you.
Thank you. I like it when you can accommodate me.
I can
Quit moving the
accommodate
camera
you.
around. You're going to make these poor people seasick.
It ain't my fault. Well, it is my fault, but no, it's the sun. All right, never mind. I don't want to explain and all that good stuff. We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day. Right?
Are you trying to smush my head?
I'm not smushing your head.
People wonder why I get violent with you, and you're up there trying to smush my head.
They
I
pro-
have a sharpened pencil, and I'm behind you, and your ear's right there.
They probably
You
don't.
see this?
They probably don't know Benny Hill references. Do y'all know the Benny Hill references?
Is that a Benny Hill reference?
Yes, I'm smashing your head. I'm smashing your head. I'm smashing your head. It's a Benny Hill reference. Know your history.